Yes, I batch shoot all my videos, that's why I'm wearing the same clothes and jacket and hat. But anyway, Aubika are back again. What is going on, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking over Aubika's carry case, and they've sent two. Well, they sent me two. So you've got this version here, which is the black with white Quest 3 little dots, and then the white with the black Quest 3 dots. They are both the same inside, so we're just going to cover one, but let's go over the quality of the build. Let's go over the one that actually looks like the Quest 3. I think a lot of controversy has come from the Quest 3's look. A lot of people are saying they don't really like the whole 3-dotted thing, but I think it gives it that weird little BMO sort of cute vibe, right? I like how Aubika's taken that and made it into a logo, a statement point. So first case is this white with these grey black sort of Quest 3 logo, if you will. The case for this one is more of a suede felt feel to it, so it does pick up that nice, you run your hands through a carpet for the first time and it leaves the lines. That's what it does. So if you've got OCD, this probably isn't for you. You're going to want it going in one way instead of it having these certain lines of like fingerprints and stuff. Now the other one on the other hand is more like your standard carry case. It's got that rough sort of feel to it, and it looks more hardened than this one here. They are both the exact same though, both same protection. It's just this one looks a bit more solid because of the outer shell. They both come with a double riveted handle, so they will not break as you're walking around. I don't know who carries their Quest around with them, but just in case. And another thing I like about these are the zips. They do not snag, they don't get caught. I'm gonna put this one aside. I feel like this one, because it looks like the Quest 3, it should be the one that's being talked about, right? There's a little bit of flex in there, but I mean, it's still a hard case. You know, it's not for dropping off the Eiffel Tower and hoping your Quest 3 will survive, or your Pico 4, Quest 2, Quest Pro, whatever you put inside this, because it will hold all of those. You know, it's not for doing that. This is just for your standard everyday use. If you're taking it around a friend's house, or if you are traveling and want to take it with you when you go on holiday, things like that, or if it's just in your house and you've got kids, safety comes first for a £600 item, and this does the job. My Quest 3 is already in here because I use this daily just to have the safety of my Quest not being broken. So opening it up, very smooth, zips right there. There's no, it's just zip. You're greeted with the inside. What do you get on the inside? When you first get these and you open them, it does come with a little sheet here, also showing the cybercore, which we've covered, which is an awesome piece of tech if you haven't seen it already. And it just tells you about the things inside of the case and maybe how to orientate it to fit your Quest 3. So I've got my Quest 3 here with the Aubika's battery strap on the back, which is like the Elite strap, which fits perfectly in there. And then in here, you get a nice little carrier case for your controllers with some Velcro at the back, because the inside of these cases, a certain type of fabric that Velcro will stick to, so you can literally stick these anywhere in your case. And the Velcro for these are pretty strong because them controllers aren't coming out. Very nice indeed. They also supply you with two of these little Velcro cable ties. If you're taking your Quest with you, you're going to need to take your chargers, so they're good for keeping your cables all nice and neat without them being all jumbled up inside this case. On the opposite side, they give you a little cushion here to sleep on if you ever get tired. I'm joking, it's not. It's to put in here to hold down the Quest 3 to stop it from rattling as much as possible. And then in here you've got your little pocket for, say, if you've got a Bobo VR head strap, you can put your extra batteries in there, cables, USB-C to USB-C play cable, and then you get your face guard. I guess a lot of people are thinking this is for the cameras maybe. The Quest 3, you've got the 3 cameras at the front. Maybe that's just there to protect them, but it's actually a divider. So if you have a big head strap, you can put this right at the front. If your head's quite small and your strap's quite small, this can go in the middle and keep your Quest nice and tucked in. Or say you just want to have the front of the Quest out and then have the head strap sort of folded away in the back, and whack that in the middle, have the Quest at the front and the strap at the back. However you want it. I use it to protect the front cameras like I thought it was for. So I just literally put it at the front, make sure the Quest is nice and snug, get the controllers and slot them in there. Close that down, and then the sponge is just on the top of the face guard to give it a bit more stability as I close it. Zip that up, and then there's a little bit of shake there, but not enough to damage the Quest 3. So it does keep it nice and safe inside there. But for me, I just love the gimmick of this, of how it looks like a Quest 3. If this is on your shelf, people are going to straight away notice it and say, I know what that is. I've seen that logo before. They know you've spent a ridiculous amount of money on a Quest 3, even though the microphones are terrible. On the website, they do say that this can hold the Quest 1, Quest 2, Quest 3, Quest Pro, and the Pico 4. I'm guessing that's with all Elite straps. Because it is quite a big case, it can hold quite a lot. The thing that swindled me was the price. Now, if you're looking at a Quest 3, you're going for the maximum sort of gigabytes, that's almost £620, right? Now you're looking for a case. So you go to Amazon, you go to Meta, you go for their original case, that's another 70, 80 pounds on top. Then you're looking for a head strap, that's probably another 100 odd pounds on top. You're paying nearly over £1,000 for a VR headset that's still not even complete yet. Like, there's still issues with it. Aubika, think about this. They come in strong, they make things directly for the specific product. They don't make them before they're released. They understand measurements, they know what they're doing when it comes to safety, pricing, and so forth. So the price of this compared to a standard Meta's own, so Meta's standalone case is £70 on Amazon, where this on Aubika's website is only $37. Now let's transfer that into pounds for the Brits. So that's £29.36. That's probably the cost of what, a McDonald's meal? And you can go and secure your £600 item safely for a price of a meal. That's insane. Aubika know what they're doing. So if you want to go and check this out, there's a link in the description that you can go to. Go check out Aubika. Go get some of their products because damn, you got to protect your stuff. If you have any questions about this product, leave it in the comments below and I'll sure get back to you. Other than that, capture, create, captivate. That's what we've done here and I'll see you all in the next one.